Lemon dill sauce, 2 ways. Let's get it. 2/3 cup heavy cream. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of dill. 1/2 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And turn the heat on to about medium heat. We want to bring this to a simmer and let it reduce, and then we'll take it off the heat. Whisk everything together and keep stirring occasionally as it warms up and starts to simmer. While it's simmering, we just want to keep stirring, let it reduce for a few minutes, and then it'll be all done. So I'm going to reduce about 5 minutes. Remove from the heat. And that is a cream lemon dill sauce. Now, if you don't feel like doing all that, there's a little shortcut way, and I'm gonna show you how to do that next. 1/2 cup of mayo. 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. 2 teaspoons of dill. And we want to whisk this together. And that is your mayo-based lemon dill sauce. So that's it. That's how you do lemon dill sauce, 2 ways.